a 1997 Honda CRV. It comes with 68,128 original miles. It comes with the B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4-door, and it does have a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I did want to point out this vehicle comes in kilometers, not miles. This number up here, 109,643. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 68,128. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start on the driver's side. Front passenger side. The rear passenger side. And the driver rear side. I do want to tell you guys that we do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support, and have a blessed and safe day.